A very good morning to all of you students. At Wordaholics, we have the tradition of sending you daily words which are important from the point of view of your examination, competitive exams like CAT, SAT, GRE, GMAT, and other competitive exams like UPSC, SSC, and all those exams. It has also been found out that in the corporate world, when you're working, the salary that you draw can be improved by up to more than 34% if you have a good sounding vocabulary. So Team Wordaholics has a mission of improving the vocabulary of students across learners across India and probably the world, so that they can sound sophisticated and score more in their lives. So the words for today are yes man, incipient, incognito, ingenious, and lexicon. We'll be discussing each and the words individually. Out of these five words, the most important words according to you that you must absolutely know are incipient, incognito, ingenious, and lexicon. Now let us deal each of them individually. We'll skip the phrase yes man for the time being. You can, if you are interested, you can pause this video and have a look at the word and the supporting usages that have been provided along with this word. We'll start with incipient. So what is the meaning of incipient? Incipient means beginning, starting, infancy, basic or elementary, the initial part of anything, the incipient. Hindi would be arambhik, shuruaat, the beginning. Antonymous, fully developed. Beginning and then fully developed is the antonym. Pronunciation is incipient. Incipient. So how do we remember this particular word for a longer time or permanently into, how do we remember it so that it gets permanently etched into our memories? So look at the particular picture, incipient. Inside that seep, we call this particular shell a seep that we find on the seashores. So mnemonic would be incipient. Shankh, Hindi, signifies the basic small beginning. Imagine a small drop of or maybe the beginning of the organism inside the shell or shankh that develops into a very big animal or an organism in a future date. So how do we remember this word? Incipient signifies small basic starting initial stage. Usage would be incipient stage, incipient signs, incipient dialogue. Sentence 1, India's incipient economic recovery would falter because of global factors led by what's happening in China. Sentence 2, dating apps are still in the incipient stages in India owing to the missing trust factor. Western models don't work here. Sentence 3, the people who supported BJP appear to be voting for India's incipient economic recovery under its able leadership more than any other reason. Sentence 4, handled properly, the intolerance issue could have been resolved in its incipient phases. Now the second word is incognito. Incognito means under hiding. When you are under hiding, you would have seen this particular word coming up in the browser. When you are browsing, you can go into the incognito mode, in the hidden mode. Incognito is under a false name, under a disguised name. Undercover is the right word over here. FBI agents go undercover, police officers go undercover. You go incognito at that point of time. Hindi is agyat or gupt. Antonym is open or unconcealed. So when something is open, it is not incognito. Pronunciation is incognito. To remember this particular word for a longer time, the idea is you must understand the meaning of a cog in a wheel. In a very big company, an employee is a cog in the entire scheme of things. The amount of contribution that he does is very, very insignificant compared to the whole target of the company that the company achieves. Imagine 15,000 people. So 15,000 achieve a particular goal of say 200 crores. So in that particular company, a single employee would be a cog in the wheel, meaning a commoner whose contribution is very, very insignificant to the 200 crore that we are discussing about. So how do we remember this word? We look at the word incog, somebody who is a cog in the wheel. So imagine somebody who's purposefully becoming a cog in the wheel, a commoner to remain undercover. He's purposefully hiding so that he remains undercover, is how we can remember this word. Usage, traveled incognito, living incognito. Sentence 1, countries are busy preparing to face the threat of cyber war, where attackers remain incognito, anonymity being the biggest advantage. Sentence 2, 55-year-old most wanted gangster Rajan has been living incognito in Australia for several years. Sentence 3, if you don't want Chrome to save records of what you visit and download, you can browse the web in incognito mode. Even the browser will not be able to find out what you're doing. Sentence 4, Priyanka attempted to go incognito as she landed at the Goa airport today, hiding under a leather jacket. Now we'll go to the next word, ingenious. This is a very obvious word. Ingenious means creative, imaginative, original, innovative. Look at the word genius, which is already present in the word ingenious. So it is kind of a no-brainer. Hindi would be chatur nipun. Antonym, unimaginative or stupid. The opposite of ingenious would be a stupid person. Pronunciation is ingenious. How do I remember this word? Very, very easy, no-brainer. I am a genius. This is what he's trying to say. This particular picture is trying to say I am a genius. Ingenious, I am genius. Just replace the N with the M and you will find it's I am genius. Do we need to say any more? It's self-explanatory. Usage, ingenious idea, ingenious plan. Sentence 1. Ritesh came up with the ingenious idea of kickstarting his own venture, Oyo Rooms, while working in a similar hotel. Sentence 2, if you want to get a job, you must think of an ingenious opening sentence to your covering letter so that you can stand out among all applicants. Sentence 3, Bluetooth to bribery. These are the 5 ingenious ways of Indian students cheat. Sentence 4, Indians are ingenious by birth. We have had 8 Nobel Prize winners of Indian origin in the last century. Now the last word for the day is lexicon. Lexicon means vocabulary or dictionary, encyclopedia or a reference book. Hindi would be kosh, shabdkosh. Antonym, we do not have any for this particular case. Pronunciation is lexicon, C-U-N, lexicon, not con, lexicon. So how do I remember this word for a longer time? The word lexicon sounds like Mexican. Imagine for a country imagine for a person who does not live in Mexico. Imagine for people who live in poor world developing countries, they will feel Mexican to be a very sophisticated, a polished person. To speak like a Mexican, the poor person would understand would require a lot of words. To speak like a Mexican, you would require a lexicon. Is how we can remember it. By rhyming these words, to speak like a Mexican, you would require a lexicon, a dictionary. So this is how you can remember this particular word. Usage, diplomatic lexicon, mainstream lexicon. Sentence word, word startups entered Indian budget lexicon last year with our PM initiating Startup India, Stand Up India. Sentence 2, if the emoji is the latest controversial entrant into Oxford Dictionary, then strategic diet restructuring should be the newest addition in the Indian banking lexicon. Sentence 3, Narendra Modi is rewriting India's diplomatic lexicon with his mind-numbing foreign trips. Sentence 4, hackers lexicon. Malvertising is when hackers upload malicious ads designed to hack the site's visitors' computers. So that's all for today at Wordaholics. And as we keep on saying, keep sounding sophisticated and score more. And if you have a friend, if you have a relative, if you have a colleague who would be interested in expanding his vocabulary, growing in life, achieving more in life, sounding sophisticated in the meetings and in the parties, being a party animal, and maybe casting the first impression, a good impression, you can ask them to SMS ADD or WhatsApp ADD to 9546307452, which is the WhatsApp number, to receive these power words daily for free. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure talking to you.